So hello everyone. So I am Gagan Shah from Phoenix Contact. We are Phoenix Contact is a German company basically and present globally for automation solutions which we manufacture in across the globe. And in exhibitions, in automation exhibition this time we have displayed multiple solutions which are related to the connectivity side, covering all types of connectors, industrial application connectors. And second one is the cabinet efficiency, where we display all our products which are goes inside the cabinet and on the cabinet to manage all the different type of cables and the layouts inside. Then we have power reliability section, where we display all our power electronic, power supply modules and product range. Third, then we have switch measure and control, where we have displayed different technologies related to the relays and switch measuring systems. And fourth is our last is our industrial communication connectors, where we display all our different type of electronics related to the networking and the safety of the safety of the applications. So, and we have a very good experience. We have a good customer visits. A lot of customers have taken interest in knowing the new technologies that we are displaying this year, and we look forward to more footfall in the next 2 days. Thank you so much.